What's going on, J family, man? If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe to the motherfucking channel, man. We going up every single day. Yo, today's video I'm gonna do an annoying my girlfriend prank, man. I'm gonna get my girl back, man. She wanna have a little prank wars. I gotta show I'm the prank champion, man. Ain't nobody pranking me. And ain't nobody doing it better like me, right, baby? Say daddy the best. Say my daddy the best. Say my daddy the best. Alright, she too into her fingers. Well, let's get right into the video, man. Alright, she about to come. I'm telling you, I'm gonna get her ass. I'm the fucking prank champion. Watch this shit. Oh, my mother. That's funny. My name.
I know that's what I'm wanting for, and I know. Well, I can't sing. Why you shaking your head when I can't sing? Nigga, frigga. Nigga, frigga. What you laughing for? Babe, I can't sing. Hello. Hello.
Bitch love Coco.
Babe, what are you talking about?
Okay.
Hello.
I cannot say pop and forget the smoke.
Baby. Babe.
They like, this nigga JaVale McGee is a bum, bro. Come on, yo.
Babe, why you ignoring me?
God damn.
Babe.
Snatch. Green light. Yo, Rondo. Rondo a fucking
Green
bum.
light. Pistol in the party don't seem right. Liver up that Molly can't think right. It's about to be a fucking green light. Babe.
Look at my feelings off that
Hey,
hit dog.
Baby, why you ignoring me? Eliana, why is he ignoring me, baby?
I'm ready to go right now.
Babe. Alright, answer me.
Just a little bit closer. Shake just a little bit now.
Babe. Babe, why you left a mess on the floor?
So, like, I guess I just can't hit
Why
a
you
difficult
left
shot.
a mess on the
If I don't have
floor?
the difficult shots badge.
What the boy, why are you ignoring me? What the Baby, why are you ignoring me? Babe. You're mean. You're mean.
Those fingers good, baby?
Hello. Babe, you're mean. Babe. That's what you're gonna say now. You're gonna say now.
Give me the green light. I'm ready to go right now. Pass it, Bron. Yo, Bron. Alley-oop. Bang!
What the why you ignoring me?
Throw it up to Bron. Bang! Bron with that big boy bang. Michael Brogdon ain't on shit.
This thing stink.
That's off.
Babe.
Rebound. Where the mother they had this nigga hit some bullshit?
Babe.
I'm about to put him on his eyes too. Can't front. Whoop.
Babe, what team are you?
Snatch. Wow.
What team are you? What team are you? Hello. Babe.
Danny fucking Green is a bum.
Babe. What team are you? Babe.
Burr, 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 beep, 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 beep. Shoulder lean, shoulder lean, shoulder lean.
Babe, why are you ignoring me?
I did a Cupid shuffle.
Baby, why is he ignoring me?
I don't fuck with you. Hey, little stupid ass. I ain't fucking with you.
You don't fuck with him either, right? There are no cheerleaders in that game.
Can't touch this. Da, 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 da. Can't touch this. Da, 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 da. Can't touch this.
What?
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Babe.
Can't touch this.
Babe.
Can't touch this. What the fuck? What are you doing? What are you doing? I said, what are you doing?
Babe, why you not answering me?
What are you doing? Give it to Caruso, nigga. This nigga didn't even pass it to Caruso, bro. So they need to fix their shit.
Babe.
My overall better go up too, Karen.
Babe, why you not answering me? 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 Babe.
You fucking shoot that shit.
Why are you answering me? Why are you not answering me? Why are you ignoring
99.4. That's big 96 overall.
Why are you ignoring me?
Big 96 overall, baby. Big
Babe.
96 overall.
Babe.
Big 96. Big 96. Big 96 overall.
Didn't you have like a 98?
Big 96 overall in the chat.
Right, didn't you have like a 98 overall? How did it go down?
Who's talking to me?
I'm talking to you. Alicia. How did your overall go down? Oh, because you're trash. You was losing mad games. You was losing mad games.
Making my way downtown. Get out of my face. Your breath stink and it stink. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And your breath stink. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And your lips ashy. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And your breath really stink. Your breath really stink. You need to get out my face. You need to get out my face. Put some Listerine in your mouth. Cause girl,
you should be the last person talking.
Your breath
You can't ever say my breath
stank today. And I do, oh, ouch. The fuck, yo. The fuck. Oh.
Babe, why are you ignoring me? What? I just try to fight you. Why are you ignoring me?
Who Soldier Boy?
Baby.
You don't know who Soldier Boy is? Yo! Soldier Boy, tell him. Soldier Boy,
Baby.
tell him.
Baby.
Baby, 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 baby. Alright, you just cracked my neck, bro.
Why are you talking to me?
Yeah, bro, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank. Damn, I'm over here hurting my neck and shit. Oh, alright, my controller disconnected. What the fuck? Alright, you just turned into a fucking dog? Like, man.
What?
Go get the camera, bro.
Where? Boys and girls.
Oh, stop singing, please.
Alright, I would.
Come on, keep singing.
Nah, it's cool. I see you love pulling pranks from me, babe.
I'm the prank king.
This was a very good prank.
I know, because
Don't ignore me like that though in real life, because I'll be crazy, babe.
Man, you already is crazy.
You know, I really do some crazy things. Anyways, we were supposed to do a challenge, but we didn't do it because we're gonna wait for that. So,
next video, we got y'all with a challenge.
yeah, we definitely got y'all. But if you are new to our channel, subscribe, hit the like button, and turn your post notifications on to get notified. It's the J family. Subscribe to our channel. Let them know, babe.
Yo, subscribe to our channel, man. Y'all already know what's happening, man. I'm gonna be pranking her every day, every single week. It's easy.
Lying, not every day,
it's
but
easy.
every week.
It's easy.
Not even every week. We post videos like every other day.
Bro,
not every day.
We got like 10 videos we ain't post yet, bro. And I got her like 5 good more times.
Be lying. Anyway, subscribe to our channel.
Watch out for those videos coming up,
man.
And
we are.
Add me on Xbox, man. Chef Boy J, you know I'll be cooking in the motherfucking kitchen, man.
Anyways, it's the J family, and we are what?
Out.